Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your display on the upcoming and also on the team section. So let's do first the upcoming. It's very easy. You just have to click the display type that you want on the upper right hand corner. Right now I have it on board, but you can change it to list and to calendar. If it's on the list mode, it'll show up the next few days. You could just scroll down and it'll correspond to which day you have on for those specific tasks. And if you have it on board, it'll show up this way. So if you want to navigate through the next coming days, you could just click the right arrow and navigate whether you want to go to the next week or the previous week. And if you've gone through more days into the future and you want to go back to today, you could just press go back to today or click letter T. That's it. Thank you.